Right, okay. This is just a few of the best things that we found magnet fishing. I brought this home the other day, as you know. You might be interested in it. The old Gurkha's knife. And this is a bit of an acorn, which I thought was a bomb when I first found it. Went out yesterday. Me and my old mate found this bloody thing. So I'll just show you what it's like here and there. I don't know whether I must be mad, but I brought it home because I do things like that. I thought, well, if it hasn't gone off in 100 years, it's not likely to go off now, is it? So I will have to ring up the police sometime. So that's about it. As I've only been fishing a few weeks. Found a shotgun the other week, part of a shotgun. You got a photograph of that. I did take that into the police station. Didn't even ask me where I found it. So I hope you liked that. So happy fishing. All the best.